About to go hit the river. It's a nice day. Luckily no rain. Been raining here for weeks, but finally got us a nice break in it. So you know what time it is. Found this yesterday. It was in the drip line, so poor guy probably ain't gonna make it. The geese been hanging out up over there, but this I found over there in the drift line. I was hoping something would have got it last night and ate it. All right, later. There's an eagle fishing. There he goes. He's gonna get the sun behind his back and dip down into the water, catch him a turtle or a fish, maybe even a snake. One bleh. Wish I could zoom in, man. But for some reason or other, my camera won't do it. It did when I first got it, but anyway, I'm out. I got some paddling to do later. All right, found my first thing right here in the water, and I had to grab it. I couldn't get it in situ because it was about to get buried. It's got a nice little flute on it. Looks like it's been reworked. That's a nice piece of Dover shirt right there. But it was right there, about to be buried. I don't know, I kind of wonder if it might be an adze of some sort, maybe. I don't know, or maybe just a knife. Could be just a square knife. They made those too. It's a beautiful piece. Oh, this is some nice looking material right here too. I love this stuff. That's just beautiful. It's probably a piece of something that got broke. But I'm gonna keep it just because I like the material. And one of these days I may just very well nap some stuff out because I got people that want me to make them some things and I just ain't got around to it yet. I stay pretty busy with all this other stuff I do. This water is still pretty cold though. Fishermen are out. All right, I'm out later. Nice piece of pottery. Reaching down. Ah, man, I thought that was something, but piece of pottery anyway. Just turned my camera off. And right down here where I was finding that pottery, I found that. And yes, that was a tip. Rode up on the beach, man, and I smelled something just took a poo, and it is really, really strong. So I turned this on just in case something happens. It smells almost kind of like human poo. Heard something back there just a second ago too, like back going that way. Oh, it's getting stronger. Oh my God, that shit is a crid. Whew. Be glad this shit ain't no scratch and sniff. And back here is where I found a couple of what do you call them? Branches leaning up against trees and whatnot. Markers, I guess you would call them. Everything seems to be all right now. But, yeah, just stumbled across this. Most likely a stone anvil. You see the face in it as the eye, forehead, nose, mouth. That's probably where they napped out arrowheads right here. And did their makeup thing right there. I guess I'll stash this. Yeah.